I never had an easy life growing up, it was hard.
Yeah.
But my parents worked and gave a life I can't explore. People talk about all the things they have and things they don't. But they should worry about the things they have, 'cause people don't. Love just not for money. Cherish people unconditionally, 'cause the real ones are the centerpiece. I just wanna say, Mama, I made it, yeah.
Kati situkamuuza namu unange.
Mwasibye mutya abatulaba, amannya nze Jonas Sentongo maniriza ate nate ku mukutu gaffe omuganzo gwa Tindi Files gwene yakatwenga kogendera ddala mu maaso n'okubanga ate osubscribinga n'abagamba ine ensibuko y'ebirungi ate era n'ebyessanyu. Well, olunaku olwaleero tukoledde waneeno ku Kingdom Kampala akafo bakayita Nur's Restaurant. Gwe wenna ali waneeno mu kibuga osobola okubanga ate oyitirawo n'osobola okubanga ate ofuna akamere kaabwe n'ebintu ebirala byonna ebyenjawulo. Olunaku olwaleero twegatiddwako international acts. They are called the E-Icons. Baana bato era oluzungu lugenda kunvugamuko speed. We are going to be speaking English till the end of the interview. But before that, let them first say hello to you guys and then we proceed with the whole interview. Hi guys, how are you?
I'm good, and you? My name is Edma Lutaya and I'm from the E-Icons.
Edma Lutaya. Edma Lutaya.
Yes.
And then you?
Edrich Lutaya. I'm also from the E-Icons.
Yeah. You guys are Ugandans.
Yes, we are.
And you're Baganda.
Yes.
How comes you don't know Luganda?
It's because, when we went to our international schools, they're always speaking English. So we kind of fell off the branch of that. And our parents never really had time to teach us the proper Luganda.
Okay.
But
you at least you can try some Luganda. But for him?
I'm still trying to learn. Yeah.
Why don't you learn? At least you should ask your dad or mom to teach you how to speak Luganda.
Yeah, I do ask them, and for some few words, but So I've already started trying to learn now, recently, a month ago. I've been trying to learn it.
Sure.
Mm.
Okay. If I'm to ask, you guys are called Lutaya. What's your clan? Should I say clan? Yeah, it's called a clan.
our clan, that one we're not sure, guys. But I know my parents, my dad is from Kayunga and my mom is from Jinja.
Okay.
Yes.
So you know nothing about the Buganda rituals and so on?
No Sibo.
This is amazing. But with them, you guys should learn how to get to know. Anyways, today we are going to be speaking about your music. And my first time seeing you guys, I think I met you at Serena. It was for the Asfas. And then I witnessed you guys at Alex Muhanji's comedy store. So today, can you please at least share with us your story about music? How did you guys bump into the music industry? How did you get started with it?
Actually, music has been a passion for us since we were young. We loved music, and our uncles were also previous artists before us. So we're just seeing them performing and doing music. We're like, wow, we also want to do this, and so that's how they also pushed us into the career. Yeah.
So you deal with music and then at the same time with books?
Yes. Yeah, we do.
Which class are you?
I'm in senior 4, but in South Africa they call it grade 10.
Grade 10.
Yes.
And then you?
In South Africa it's grade 8. So here I think it's senior 1 or 2. Yeah.
So who is older than it's you is older than him?
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 16.
And then you?
I'm 14.
Wow, this is amazing. But the first time I saw you guys, I thought you were twins or something. Because you generally look alike,
Yes.
the same height, and I was like,
Yeah, people get that a lot because also we are dressing the same. Now this guy has caught up to my height, so people are like, "Oh, you guys are twins," but we know we're 2 years apart.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are some of your inspirations that pulled you into music?
One of the inspirations was, let me say, my uncles, and also just watching a whole lot of music on TV that just inspired me to want to do music. Yes.
You said your uncle inspired you into music. Was he in the local? Was he singing local, or it was some kind of international music?
It was local, but also at the same time it had a bit of spice of international there. Yes, but he sang gospel. Yes, they sang gospel. It was a group.
Okay, before we move any further, I would like to know what's behind you guys dressing alike.
I think behind us dressing alike is because we like the same fashion, but also to make sure they know the brand. Because sometimes we will wear different, but it will be different, same clothes, different color, still same concept rolling. So I think we do wear the same, but I lucky think because it's the fashion sense we have.
Oh, sure.
Mm.
Does it feel good when you wake up one morning and be like, you know what, Edmond, I would like us to dress in such a kind of way?
He has nothing else to say because at the end of the day, it's something we have to keep together. Because me technically, I think I'm the best designer between the both of us. So yeah,
Who is the designer?
the designer is mostly him and my father.
Him and your father.
Yeah.
And then you?
Who designs me? I design myself, but my father, he's really good at fashion when it comes to fashion there. So he helps out with how we dress and all that.
So it's like when he takes you for shopping, he's like, you know what, this will be good on you.
Yes. He actually, most of the times when he goes for shopping, he's often buying for us. He's like, yeah, these ones would look good for my boys or something like that, yeah.
Okay, let us get back on track. For how long have you been guys singing?
So far now, it's been 4 years.
4 years.
Yes, 4 years.
Do you remember your first song?
Yes, I do.
What was it?
Like my very, very first song, or
The very first.
the song, yeah, I do remember it.
What was it?
It was like, we live once in the world, don't mess with your time now. But our first song out right now, it's called Izinja. Who let the dogs out? Yeah,
That was just.
yeah, that's our song. Yeah, that one.
Okay, let me get to know. Some of his interests the same as yours.
Yeah, some of the interests, yeah, they are the same.
Why is it so?
I think because we grew up together and had such a close bond, I think we've always mostly liked the same things, but sometimes we do prefer different things. But like most of the stuff we do like most between us, yeah.
You guys are twins, like for real.
No, we're not
You guys are
twins.
twins because you can be having the same interests and so on. You get.
Eish, I feel like it's just also like when I was younger, well, when I was, let me say, still small, me and he was like the only friend I had, so we would just share a few things and be like, oh, I also like this, he likes this, so yeah, just went into that category.
Okay, so how have you been able to balance books and music?
Usually because we have a home studio at home, so in South Africa we end around 2:30 around there. So when we get home, we do our homework. So then we can just go straight to studio, sketch, get some concepts. So when we get in studio, we don't play around. One time, we get it done.
So it's you guys with the production yourself.
Yeah, sometimes we do produce some of the sketches. We do write our own music, unless it needs to be changed into Luganda for the market here as well.
You've been performing in English basically.
Yeah.
That has been your target audience.
Yeah, mostly we do sing in Luganda and in English.
Okay. Besides music a little bit, what are some of those other talents that you may be having?
I think for me it's still related to music, but producing. I'm good at producing, recording our music, and yeah, I think I'm gonna go into sound engineering with that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sticking on the music side, I got a chance of listening to the kind of music you do. It's my piano kind of. I just want to know, how is that feel of my piano music?
It's it's groovy. Like I've never seen someone who listens to Amapiano and doesn't move at least. That's why we go into Amapiano, because we want to make the people groove. We also want them to listen to, but also have a good time with the music. So yeah, I think that's why we love Amapiano, and it's become our identity into that. Yeah.
Okay, you guys bumping into the Amapiano instrumental and so on. Was it an intention for you guys to groove with the audience?
Yes, it was the intention for the audience to, groove. But I think in some songs, I think we have like one song that's for listening, but it still has that piano feel. But it's, soft, mellowish, but people can still, dance to it. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay, you guys are generally based in South Africa, and actually, I know a little about the South African music industry. I would like to know more about it, especially from you guys. How have you been able to manage dealing with artists in South Africa? Have you gotten into them and be like kind of interactive and get to know what their opinions are about music generally in South Africa?
I think in South Africa, it's pretty much the same here. The people are also very nice to meet. There are also obviously some terms and conditions they have, like that. And then yeah, I feel like it's just the same here as any other industry. It's obviously hard to get through at the start, but once you've breached through, you've breached through. Yes.
Who are some of your favorite artists in South Africa?
In South Africa, it would be Blackie, also DJ Maporisa, Kabza. Yeah, there's a lot to go. Elaine, yeah, there's a lot of South African artists there. That's yeah.
And then on your side?
Me, it would be Blackie, Tyler, who else? I would say PC and Justin. Also, Deb and Gogo. And Shelly, yeah. And Shelly, yeah.
And then, do you mind asking me my favorite artist in South Africa?
Let's ask.
Wait, do you wanna know? Actually, she's called Nkosazana daughter. Yeah, she actually. There is a way I feel her beats and her lyrics in her music. It's generally good for me. Okay. Besides that, let us talk about your projects. Why have you guys decided to get here in Uganda and rhyme with the Ugandan way kind of music? And I listened to your latest beat. It's in Luganda. And who was behind the lyrics? Because you guys told me you can't speak Luganda.
It was actually one of the writers there at Extra Nations helped us out with the Luganda parts. But yeah, he's a very good writer. Yeah. And also with our Luganda songs, why we've started doing them here, because we just wanted to incorporate that, yeah, guys, we are Ugandan and they mustn't forget. As I think that's what's going to travel with us, even if we're out of Uganda or wherever. Okay. We're still going to be Uganda.
Okay. Do you both of you guys should at least give us a cappella about this new song?
This new song, okay.
Abantu bensanze banjalo yeah banjalo abantu bensanze yeah banjalo yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I just want to listen to his part in that song.
Life kiss it down, yeah. Life kiss it down, and I know that. But just be who you are. Show them that the words don't face you. Oh, you've been running and running, trying to find yourself in some people, but you forgot how to be yourself. Berakwe, kati situ kamuze na munange. Ya kusente kugambye, ya delandi lora kusante. Pencha. Yeah.
Wow, you guys sound so good. But did you get to know the lyrics in this song? What they mean?
Yes, I did get.
What does it mean?
It's get up and dance a little bit. Eat the money, even though the landlord is, coming for you. What's for tomorrow is for tomorrow.
How did you get to know this?
I asked them because I can't be singing what I don't know. I had to ask them.
Like for real?
Yeah.
Okay. Since you sang a Luganda song, I would like to know, have you guys moved on to meet most of the Ugandan artists, and have you got some time with them to get to know how the music industry here in Uganda it's moving.
Yes, we have. I've seen a lot of music artists here in Uganda, and yeah, we've worked with a few, which we'll discuss later when the album drops and everything. But yeah, it's just very beautiful, man. The people here are very different. Yeah.
So should we expect some collaborations with them?
Yes, you should. But obviously, we're not gonna say it here. You guys just must stay watching. If you wanna watch us on all social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, E Icons, you'll see the latest updates from us. E Icons official.
Okay, here in Uganda we're having some some trending song. It's called Enkodi by Lil Pazo. Have you guys gotten to hear that track?
Guys, I'm starting to think maybe I've heard the song. I just don't know the artist. But I'm not sure whether I know the song.
But have you felt the song? Have you heard of it anywhere?
I think so. Maybe I have.
How about you?
No, I haven't heard it. I've heard people talk about it, but I've never heard it.
The Enkodi song.
Nope, I haven't heard it.
Sure. So surprised by it.
Guys, I'm going to do my research. I'll see about this song. Enkudi, you said.
Yeah, Enkodi.
I'll find it.
Enkodi, it's such a nice song trending.
I'll find it, guys. People have been asking me, and I'm like, how come I don't know this song?
How about Alien Skin? You know him?
But I've heard the name.
You've heard the name?
Yes, I've heard the
Alien
name.
Skin.
Yes, Alien.
Yeah, he's some good guy, very talented and so good.
Yes. I will look on to him.
Okay, besides those, what some other artists here in Uganda do you think have done a bit more good in the music industry?
Obviously, Joshua Baraka, Fik, Vinka, Azawi, who else? Elijah. Just a lot of artists are doing good in the Ugandan music industry, and I give them props, man. And yeah, even one of our fellow young artists, Lucky Joe, yeah, he's doing a very good job there.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, in regards to that, do you think Ugandans have generally contributed much to the music industry? Are there some other things lacking? And how would you compare the Ugandan music industry to that of South Africa?
I would say Uganda is very good at welcoming people in the music industry, but what I feel like they're lacking compares from Uganda to South Africa. I think what here in Uganda they're lacking is promotion, because I feel like they're trying to make music that's only for here, not trying to go international, and they're trying to stay in that local. I know that local beats you make, but I feel like that's what you guys are like here in Uganda. They're lacking. It's just promotion, because if they promote, I can say Uganda can be put on the map nicely, because we have some good music here in Uganda that I think if with good promotion, I feel like it can go global.
So you mean promotion is lacking more in the industry?
Yes, the promotion for around here, Uganda, they can promote around here, but what they lack is international connections.
One more other thing I would like to know. Does Ugandan music cross over to South Africa? Do most of the people there, most so the South Africans, vibe to the Ugandan music, or they only vibe to the South African music? Nigerian maybe.
What I would say is the only song that I've heard in South Africa is from Joshua Baraka, because that's the only Ugandan music I've ever heard play. But the Nigerians, yeah, of course, Nigeria and the Amapiano. I feel like Uganda just needs more promotion. That's what they need, because that's what the Nigerians are dominating. Because if they make a song like Davido, his latest song with Chris Brown.
Chris Brown, yeah.
Yeah, it's Amapiano, Chris Brown singing Amapiano, but you see it went global because of the connections they have. Even Kiss Daniel, what was that song? Oh, don't sleep, wake up. That thing went.
Booga.
Booga. It went global because of the connections it had. It went international, Europe, America, South Africa. Everyone knew that song.
Okay. Awarding to this, have you guys gotten some beneficiaries, like in form of awards from big awards organizing crews and so on?
So far, not yet, but guys, you should watch out. We might be getting one.
Sure.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Yes.
Okay, as we are finishing or ending the program, your final remarks to the people watching us, more so the young ones, like you would love to get into the music industry and start on with their careers, but they have no, like they don't expect that to be. They are still in fear.
Guys, just really follow your dreams, man. No matter how small or big you think your dream is, just do it, because you never know till you try. Doing something is better than not starting. And yeah, just never give up, and hard work pays off. So continue doing and following your dreams, guys.
And then you?
My final remarks is never give up, push through, no matter how much people say you can't do it, you can't make it, you're not good enough. Prove them wrong and show them you are not what they tell you. Show them that you are what you are.
As we're winding up, I would love you guys to give us a cappella and then see what's next.
Alright, we're gonna.
I never had an easy life growing up, it was hard.
Yeah.
But my parents worked and gave a life I can't explore. People talk about all the things they have and things they don't, but they should worry about the things they have, cause people don't. Love just not for money, cherish people unconditionally, cause the real ones are the centerpiece. I just wanna say mama I made it, yeah.
Kati situkamuuza na muunange yakusente kugambye yatera ndilora kusante epencha pencha.
N'olw'ensonga eyo ngenda kuba ate basibulya wano nze Jonas Sentongo omukoto Tindi Files, mwongere okuba nga ate mu subscribinga nkoze ne Lawrence ku kamera, mubeere bulungi, mweraba.